This is the all-new Lake by ORU Kayak, a compact, foldable, lightweight kayak. Received this one today, so let's open it up and see how it works. On top of the package you find all the instructions and a warning, information you need to read before you go paddling. So make sure you go read that before you jump in the water. 17 pounds, so it's easy to lift out. Unbuckle the two buckles on top and unfold the kayak. If you have the optional footrest, you can set that to the side. Two Velcro straps hold in the floor panel, and just undo the third Velcro strap to unfold the floor panel, which contains the seat. Now head to the front of the kayak, find the two long seams, press down on those to pop the front of the boat down. At this point you can hook in the bungee cord on the footrest. It's easier to do now than it is once the kayak is assembled. Just hook in the bungee to the front loop and then attach the two buckles, one on each side. Then you head to the back of the kayak and make sure the floor panel is lined up properly. Head to the back of the kayak, do the same as the front, find those two long seams and pop those down into place. Minimal effort required. At this point, it pretty much resembles a boat, just a few final steps. Make sure the floor panel tucks in underneath the panels on each side of the kayak, and that the fold lines up with the fold on that side panel. Find the two straps on the front of the kayak and buckle those together. Easiest to make sure that they're loose before you buckle them up, then tighten by pulling on the loose ends of the straps. Then we do the same in the back of the kayak. Fold the sides over, loosen the strap, fasten the buckles, pull and tighten. One more strap right on the back of the boat. Once that one's pulled down and tightened, it makes the back of the boat like a swallowtail. It's got a little V back there. Now we just make sure that the sides of the floor panels are tucked up underneath the sides of the kayak. One strap that goes along the back side of the seat back. That gives you rigidity across the kayak and also holds up the back panel. One strap on each side of the backrest itself. You buckle those into the straps on the sides of the kayak. Gives your back support. Adjustable, so if you need to lean back or lean forward, you can adjust those. And just like that, we have a kayak. I'm 6'3". I fit nicely in there. Nice and stable. Now disassembly, just as easy as putting it together. Just do it in reverse. Unbuckle the seat back buckles, unbuckle the strap behind the seat back. You can unbuckle the footrest. The two buckles on the back of the kayak, undo those, as well as the two on the front. Now that opens up. You can unhook the footrest, set it off to the side, pull out the floor panel. These just fold over, close the Velcro strap, flip it over, find the two Velcro strips, attach those to the Velcro straps on the side of the kayak. Footrest can go along the opposite side so as to not interfere with the closing of the kayak. Lay that there. Now, fold the rear of the kayak over. You'll find two labels on seams down there. It tells you to push here, so just push on those labels and it pops the sides down. The same with the front. One label there, one label there. And there you go. Fold the two sides together. Again, it's easier if you loosen the buckles before you try to buckle it together. Clip the buckles together, one on each end. Tighten the straps. The carrying handle pops out the top. And away you go. It's just that easy. We look forward to getting it out on the water. Hopefully it's as easy to paddle as it is to put together and take apart. For more information on their full line of kayaks, go to ORUKayak.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to follow along with our full review of this kayak. Thanks for watching.